I'm Dale.
I'm Taylor.
And I'm Bill.
So me and Taylor are going to show you how to make a sweet belt out of just paracord.
And I'm going to show you how to make a sling out of just paracord.
See ya. Okay, so the pieces of the belt, mainly just a belt buckle and 36 feet of paracord. You also need a lighter and something to cut the paracord with. So first thing you want to do, you want to cut your 36 feet of paracord into 3 even strands of about 12 feet. Okay, so you want to use one of your 12-foot paracord and you want to make a loop in it, somewhere in near the middle of it. And then you take your belt buckle and you stick it through the holder, and then you have a loop there. And then you stick your paracord, you pull it through, and then you stick it this through your other loop, and it's called a lark's head knot. Then you pull it through, and it should look something like this. So after you've made your lark's head knot on your buckle, you want to make sure that the 2 ends that you did it with are perfectly even together. And then just pull it through till you get to your belt buckle, and you straighten it out to make it perfectly flush. Alright, so now that you've had your lark's head knot and both ends are even, you want to take another one of your 3 12-foot paracord and you stick it through this side, and then you stick it through this side, and then you pull it through until it's even on both ends. And then it should look something like this. And then you also want to do the same for the other side. Okay, so you got to get it lined up like this. Your upper one's going on the outside and then in and down. Okay, so start out, you go under, over, under, pull it out down that side. Then on this side, you go over, under. So you got it like this, and then you go under, over, and then under, and then you go over, under, yeah, and then you keep going under, over, under, then you go over, under, and then you're good, and then you just keep going. So me and Taylor, we tied it with another belt to the tree so that we have tension. And then about halfway done or so with the belt, just like 1 or 2 slip ups here, but it's still working together. And then down here, we're still going under, over, under. And then on this side, you always go over and then under. And then you just pull it out. Okay, we are to the end. And now we're going to just tie a little thing right here. Double overhand knot. Yep, and then we're just gonna cut this all off. And then just kind of burn an end. Okay, so we got our finished belt here. We got the belt buckle, which you need to have. Then you got the tip at the end, and it'll hold them tight.
Okay, me and Lynn are going to be teaching you how to make a sling. So you're going to start with 10 to 11 feet. Alright, so when you make your sling, you want to take arm's length of paracord all the way up to your chest, about right here. Then right at that point, you're going to want to tie an overhand knot, simple knot, just like that. Hold it right there, then right up there. And then you're going to want to take right where that knot is, and you're going to want to make 1 rabbit ear, fold it around, and 2 rabbit ears just like that.
So you have your 2 rabbit ears, and you're just gonna weave it in and out like this. Just gonna keep doing that. Pull it through. This. And you're gonna come to the other side, and then you're gonna go in, out, in, out. Just gonna keep doing that. And keep doing that until you get to closer to the edge. Okay, so you can see it's starting to come together, so you just gotta keep on weaving in and out.
Alright, so we're getting down to the end here. Just a couple more loops through. Then, when you get to the end, like, you're about this far. It's getting really hard here to loop it through. And then, what you want to do is, you want to end with this side going out, on this side, the opposite of this one's coming out. Then you want to pull this through here like this, and it should, if you pull the right one, you can see this one comes down around here. So you pull it so that it's just tight. It tightens up on there like that. Pull it tight. Then you pull this end, it tightens on there. Then you have your sling. Alright, so now you have a pouch you can put the rocks in. And on this end you're gonna do another overhand knot. Like that. Pull it right up to the end. And on this hand, you're gonna make a loop like that. You can see. And you're gonna put it around your finger. Pull it around and put it back through there like that. Push the loop back through an overhand knot like that. Then pull it through. You want this just to be just big enough to fit your finger in it, because this is the part where you can put your finger in. Alright, and you have your sling.
So another way you can make a sling is just using a piece of leather and paracords for the sides. It's simple. Now it's going forward. Now watch this. Hey, this is Dale. Hope you found this video helpful. We had Dale in this video. We also had Taylor, Lynn, and Billum. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch more videos.